If you want to master the most important English prepositions in a simple way, this video is for you. Today, you will learn how to use in, on, at, for, by, and out of, with clear explanations and easy real-life examples. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn 6 very important English prepositions: in, on, at, for, by, and out of. By the end of this lesson, you will clearly understand when and how to use each one correctly in daily conversation. Now let's look at each one with examples. In. We use in for places, time, and inside something. For example, in the box. In the box. In 2026. In 2026. In the winter. In the winter. In the car. In the car. In the bag. In the bag. In June. In June. In the office. In the office. In the house. In the house. In the water. In the water. On. We use on for surfaces and specific days. For example, on the bed. On the bed. On the table. On the table. On the roof. On the roof. On Monday. On Monday. On the train. On the train. On the floor. On the floor. On vacation. On vacation. On my desk. On my desk. On the bus. On the bus. At. We use at for specific places and exact time. For example, at home. At home. At the door. At the door. At the party. At the party. At the gym. At the gym. At 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock. At school. At school. At the top. At the top. At 7 p.m. At 7 p.m. At the cafe. At the cafe. For. We use for to show purpose or reason. For example, for life. For life. For love. For love. For hire. For hire. For a reason. For a reason. For a change. For a change. For fun. For fun. For work. For work. For dinner. For dinner. For a gift. For a gift. By. We use by to show method or how something is done. For example, by hand. By hand. By myself. By myself. By heart. By heart. By air. By air. By key. By key. By car. By car. By mistake. By mistake. By email. By email. By train. By train. Out of. We use out of for leaving something or absence. For example, out of date. Out of date. Out of work. Out of work. Out of control. Out of control. Out of reach. Out of reach. Out of order. Out of order. Out of money. Out of money. Out of ideas. Out of ideas. Out of bed. Out of bed. Out of stock. Out of stock. Great job! Now you clearly understand how to use the most important English prepositions in real situations. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. See you in the next video.